Edge adventure science must feel that my you're gonna be doing. This is the blocks are gonna be in here, and we're gonna see if it falls down.
Okay, is this called the earthquake experiment?
Yeah.
Cool. So you're gonna put the blocks on that platform? Are you sick, Scientist Edge? You're not sick? Okay. All right, let's show the audience how to do this experiment. Let's move the camera a little closer.
I want to stop.
Oh, look at that. So this is called Survive the Quake. And who bought this science experiment for you?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
What? Oh.
There you go. You're really good at building this, huh? Are you going to use all these blocks?
Yeah.
Alright, so look at all the different types of blocks. Oh, while he's building that, oh, look who's here. It's Teeth. Is that your sidekick, Nacho, the parakeet?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's going to help.
Yeah.
You're taking the box down? Okay. Well, we know what science experiment you're doing. Wow, look at all these blocks, Edge. So Scientist Edge is also very good at building things.
I think I'll be right back. I have to just roll my nose.
Okay.
A few moments later.
All right, Scientist Edge. This is cool. What kind of building are you making?
I'll show you.
You'll show me, okay.
I'm building Sequest.
You're building Sequest? Who did we get at Sequest? Nacho? Oh, Nacho face planted.
Big one there.
Still got a big one. Oh, careful. Be gentle because you don't want your masterpiece to fall apart. Well, it's going to fall apart anyways with the earthquake. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's like you're playing Jenga.
Almost done.
Almost done, yeah. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
All right. Let's show them how it works. So turn the dial. Whoa! Whoa! Cool. Yeah. So, anything you want to tell the audience before you go?
We know that if I build this sequence, it will knock down
Yeah, because what caused it to get knocked down?
the earthquake.
The earthquake. All right. You want to say bye to your audience now?
Yeah, bye-bye.
And what kind of video are they going to see next time?
I think I'm gonna do, let me show you.
A few moments later.
Okay, which one are we gonna do next? What's that one called?
I don't know.
It's called homemade apple yeast. Wow, that looks like it's gonna be a fun experiment. All right, Edgy, say bye-bye to your audience.
Bye-bye. And hope we find it on the next video.
Yes.